In 1812, a sleepy town held a sneeze duel after a printer published a weather prophecy printed in powdered pepper. Two champions sprayed pepper to trigger the ultimate sneeze, while neighbors synchronized their own eruptions to win applause. Spectators placed bets on the angle of the sneeze and the gust distance, as the town doctor narrated like a sports commentator. When the bell rang, the prophecy fizzled, but the crowd laughed, learning that forecasts once again relied on gullible weather and good humor. The tale endures as a silly reminder that history loves a dramatic sneeze more than a forecast.